What's good, YouTube? How you doing? My name's LEBlaze. Your boy done leveled up. Alright, so what I got is the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. Oh my goodness, look at this. Man. This thing is beautiful, bruh. Dude, ever since I was a little boy, like, I've always wanted to do YouTube. And this was like the kind of camera I've imagined myself having. So as you can see, it comes with a lot of things. Like, it comes with the camera, it comes with covers, mic, the handles, battery stuff, tripods. Like, it really is like a Swiss Army knife. This thing is awesome. So I got a bit excited and I already unboxed it. But yeah, this is the camera. Look at this. Man, this thing is so cool. So you got the camera up here, you got a little touchpad, this analog stick, power button, and this is just the extra handle if you have big hands like me. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy on. Woo! Look at this. Oh my goodness. And you can also flip the screen too, but I heard people saying on the reviews not to do that yet, so I'm not gonna do that yet. But in the future I will. So yeah, I already charged it. It might be a bit hard to see, but I already charged it. I need to get an SD card. I'll probably buy that tomorrow. Got the camera right here, the resolution, and you can flip it too. You can flip the camera. Yeah, look at that. Then you can flip it again. So you have to press this 3 times to flip it. Look how cool that is. Man, technology, y'all. Technology is so cool. And then I think you have to double tap it to center it. Let me see. 1, 2. Okay, so it's already centered. Yeah, look at this. So yeah, and if you want a bigger handle, they have a second one. And that, and yeah, in order to turn it off, you just hold the button again. So turn it on, hold the button, turn it off, hold the button again. Man, isn't this cool, y'all? Oh, I forgot to mention this too, guys. So, like, look at that. Pay attention to the top of the camera when I move it. Like, look at that. That is so cool. It's like it has a mind of its own. Like a cobra. It's like a cobra. That's really cool. Man, I love technology. So yeah, guys, that's my new camera. I'll definitely be doing some IRL vlogging with it soon and traveling more and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I love you all. Thank you for watching and like and sub.